What I'm going to do today is make some push sticks for my table saw. Now, I've got this plastic one. It's the only one that I have actually. I don't use my table saw that much, only when I need to. Now I've taken an old cereal box and I made a couple of templates. And I got a piece of poplar. I can cut two like this out of this piece of poplar. And I've also made a template for one like this. And I'm going to use a piece of plywood for it. I think it'd just be stronger. And I'm just going to cut them all out on my bandsaw, and then I'll go from there and round over and sharp edges and everything. Okay, now I've got these cut out. I made two of these, and I'll just round over the edges on them. Clean them up, a little bit of sanding, just to make them a little more comfortable to use. Now, the one that's made out of plywood, I'll have to do something else with it. I'm going to use a spoke shaved around the edges over it, and they don't really work too good on plywood, so I'll do something else around it over, but sawed out okay. Now I've already started cleaning up this one, and I'm just going to round it over, and then I'll sand on it a little bit. They don't have to be perfect. Finished up the push sticks. Now these I just rounded them over with a spoke shave and a rasp, and then I just sanded them. And, you know, you can make them as nice as you want. And they seem to work okay. The only thing I will say is if you're, this notch here, now I did this for like 3/4 and thicker material. If you were using a lot of 1/4 inch or 3/8 material, you might want to reduce the depth of this so this is not running against the saw table. But other than that, I think it'll work out okay. Now this one seems to work okay too. I did try it out. I've not really used this type of push stick before, but I think it'll work out just fine. Just have to get used to it.